Do you avoid meeting people due to the fear of bad breath? If yes, then you should know that bad breath, also called halitosis, can be embarrassing and in some cases may even cause anxiety. It's no wonder that store shelves are overflowing with gum, mints, mouthwashes and other products designed to fight bad breath. But many of these products are only temporary measures because they don't address the cause of the problem. But today in Homeveda, I am going to help you get rid of bad breath by following these simple home remedies. For this remedy, you will need cardamom, cloves, fennel seeds, baking soda and cinnamon stick. We will now be creating a homemade mouthwash. Take a mortar and pestle and now let's take cardamoms. The reason we are using cardamom here is that it can lead to minty fresh breath. This is due to its ability to fight common mouth bacteria. I recently came across a study that proves that cardamom extracts were effective in fighting 5 bacteria that can cause dental cavities. So let's take around 3 to 4 cardamoms. Now let's add cloves to it. Cloves are effective bleaching agents and help to whiten the teeth. My father also told me that brushing with grounded cloves or applying clove oil over the teeth removes the stains and other microbial agents that are adhered to the teeth. Besides removing the stains, cloves are efficient in eliminating the sticky substances on the teeth which are responsible for cavities. Who knew clove can be so effective in whitening teeth? Now let's add 3 to 4 cloves to it. Now let's take fennel seeds. Fennel seeds increase the secretion of saliva that kills harmful bacteria. Chewing 8 to 10 fennel seeds can instantly freshen your breath. The essential oils found in fennel seeds stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes and juices that boost your digestion. So let's add fennel seeds to it. Now let's crush all the 3 ingredients together. Now that we have crushed it very well, we can smell all the flavors of the spices. Now our next step is take a mixer and take all the crushed ingredients and put it in the vessel. Now add some water in it. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of baking soda in this. Let me tell you that baking soda not only prevents tooth decay but also helps remineralize your enamel. Baking soda can also limit plaque buildup by neutralizing plaque acids. These days, many kinds of toothpaste contain baking soda to help clean teeth more effectively and protect against plaque. Now let's blend all the ingredients together. Okay, our mouthwash is almost ready. Let's add 1 cinnamon stick to the mixture. Let's again blend the mixture together. Cinnamon EOs, cinnamon extracts and pure compounds could be beneficial in cavities and periodontal disease prevention, endodontics and candidiasis treatment. Once the mixture is ready, we are going to transfer it to another glass and we are going to leave it there for next few hours so that the ingredients mix well. This is how the mixture will look once you let it rest for a few hours. Now you can use this homemade mouthwash twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. However, don't forget this important step. Don't drink water instantly after using the mouthwash. Apart from doing this home remedy, you can take these precautions to avoid bad breath. Firstly, brush twice a day for at least 2 minutes each time and floss once a day. Remember to clean your tongue with your brush or a tongue scraper which you can buy in the oral health aisle. Secondly, use an alcohol-free antibacterial mouthwash. Thirdly, see your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. For some people, this may be every 6 months, but others may need more frequent visits to keep their oral health in check. Lastly, drink a lot of water to help prevent dry mouth. If bad breath persists, then it is advisable to visit a doctor to check for underlying causes. Before we sign off, let's take a quick recap to today's video. I really hope that the mouthwash we made today using cardamom, cloves, fennel seeds, baking soda and cinnamon stick will help you get rid of bad breath and boost your confidence. Do try it and don't forget to share this remedy with any of your friends or family members who have got bad breath. So what do you do to control your bad breath? Let us know and don't forget to watch this space for more such interesting content.